Today I'm taking a look at this spark plug socket set slash torque wrench specifically for spark plugs, and it has a nice little set inside here. You have a long extension, short extension, or medium one I got on here, a universal joint, and a couple different spark plug socket set sizes. Also comes with a gap thing and a little screwdriver, which you use to take the cover off, get your batteries in it, because it comes with the batteries. Now to turn it on, you're just going to push the C right in the middle there, and then you can switch between modes and different tracks as far as if you want to have a few settings and leave them. And then of course you can switch between foot-pounds, inch-pounds, kgf, and newtons. I'm on foot-pounds, and then to adjust your measurement, you can just use the up and down buttons here. So I'm just going to get this way down here just so I can show you how it works. All right, so I have it set to inch pounds just to show you, but this would work the same in pretty much every setting. And once you get your hand on here and you're getting ready to tighten something up, the more I push on it, you can see it's getting closer, and it's got an audible sound as well as lights. And the more I push, it shows the closer I'm getting to that exact measurement. And then if I go all the way, there you go. And then also, you can't tell, but it has a little vibration to it as well once it gets to that red. So that's what's really good about this. You have several indicators so you can show exactly where you are. And then again, you can do it in kgfs, newtons, or foot-pounds. And again, you can just make those measurements, or set that setting wherever you want it. But this thing is just going to give you, and because the higher you go, you can push a lot harder before you start getting close to that setting. So there you have it right there. Now, these guys are nice enough to send this out to me so I could do this review. This is great if you don't want to overdo your spark plugs and not destroy them, of course, or break something, over tighten them. It's always best to look at the specs of your vehicle or whatever you're doing to make sure you tighten things down properly. And a tool like this can make all the difference in the world from ruining something or having it tightened to the proper torque specs based on the vehicle. So these guys are nice enough to send this out to me to do this review and show you what it's all about and how it works, and I want to thank them for that. I really appreciate it, and I hope this short video can help you out and you can determine whether or not this unit is right for you. But I give it 2 thumbs up for sure. Definitely a great product to have.